Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to configure DHCP server on Cisco switches. DHCP is a network management protocol used in network to dynamically assign IP addresses and other network configuration like IP address, default gateway, subnet mask, DNS, etc. The DHCP service allows hosts to automatically obtain their IP configuration from the DHCP server. The DHCP service is available on Cisco switches. Now we will create and configure DHCP server using Cisco Packet Tracer. Now we will take some switch. I drag it down here and also we will take some PC from here. Now we will give the connection. Okay, this this will be our DHCP server, and we will create VLAN 10, VLAN 20. This PC will get IP from VLAN 10. This PC will get IP from VLAN 20. Now go to CLI, enable conf host name DHCP server. Okay, create VLAN 10, VLAN 20. Now we use DHCP exclude address, means we want to exclude some IP address from the DHCP server. We don't want to use it for our PC. The command is IP DHCP. Sorry, you have to exit from this here. IP DHCP excluded address. The starting IP to the ending IP. Starting IP should be 192.168.10.1 to 192.168.10.100. This is our starting IP range and this is our ending IP range. So the PC will take the IP from 192.168.10.101. Okay. Similarly, we will create IP DHCP excluded address for VLAN 20. IP DHCP excluded address 192.168.20.1 to 192.168.20.100. Okay. Now we will create DHCP pool by typing IP DHCP pool and give the pool name. We'll give our channel name MR port 10. We'll give any kind of name. Okay. Now give the network range, network space 192.168.10.0. So this is our network range and space the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. And now we will give the default router or default gateway by typing default router space 192.168.10.1. This will be our default gateway. Now we'll give the DNS server. By typing DNS server, we'll give the DNS server of Google, which is 8.8.8.8. Exit. Similarly, we will create DHCP pool for VLAN 20. Typing IP DHCP pool with the name MR code 20, network range 192.168.0.255.255.255. This is our subnet mask. Default router space 192.168 is the default gateway. DNS server is the Google DNS server. Exit. So the DHCP server ready. Now you want the IP for each VLAN. Command is interface VLAN 10. This is our default gateway and this is our also the IP address for VLAN 10. Is 255.255.255.0. Similarly, we will give the IP address for VLAN 20. IP base address 192.168.1 base 255.255.25. Exit. Now we'll give the trunking interface for this interface. This will be our trunking interface, and so the command is interface fa0/1 switch port mode turn switch port turn allow and pin and we ready. Now save our configuration by writing write command. In switch enable conf hostname space client. So this will be our trunking interface and these are our access interface. So this interface will give VLAN will give the access for VLAN 10 and this interface will give the access for VLAN 20. Interface fa0/1 will be our trunking interface. The command is switch port mode trunk. And first of all, we should create we'll make create a VLAN for this switch VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Now go to interface switch port mode turn switch port turn allow VLAN and 20. Go to interface fa0/2 will be our access interface and we will give the access for VLAN 10. Switch port mode access port VLAN 10. Go to interface fa0/3 switch port mode access switch port access VLAN 3. Now take the configuration by typing write command. So now we will check whether this PC will get the IP address automatically or not. Hmm. Go to desktop and go to IP configuration, choose DHCP. The IP address is 192.168.10.101. Subnet mask and our default gateway 192.168.10.1 is our DNS server. So working fine. Now we'll check for VLAN 1020 also. To desktop configuration, choose DHCP. The IP address is 192.168.20.101. Also check this by command prompt also. Type ipconfig our IP address. So in this process, you can create DHCP server. So that's all for today now.